Statements Brooks Houck made to authorities about Crystal Rogers' disappearance were the focus of trial today. Jurors watched Houck's 2015 interview with police. Alexis Matthews joins us live from the courthouse in Bowling Green. Alexis?
Vicki, good evening. Today, jurors were shown an edited version of that 2-hour interrogation with Brooks Houck and lead detective on the case, Jonathan Snow. And I can tell that they were paying very close attention to what Houck said and what he did. And that's exactly what both sides want this jury to do. Now, in the interview, Brooks Houck wrote a detailed 8-page written statement about what he did July 3rd, 2015, the day that Crystal Rogers went missing. But it was what he's seen doing before then that raises questions. Houck is seen adjusting something in his pocket that Detective Jonathan Snow later identified as an audio recording device. Snow testified Thursday had Brooks just asked him, he would have let him record the interrogation, which for prosecutors' case can paint Houck out to be sneaky or that he had something to hide. Now, the defense yesterday during opening statements claimed that the Houck family had trust issues because of this entire tragedy, and that's why they recorded any conversations with law enforcement. Now, also during the video, which was made public a few months after Rogers vanished, jurors heard Houck talk about the fact that Crystal sometimes went out with friends and she stayed out partying late, so it was not uncommon, nor was he concerned when he didn't see her home the next morning. They also watched Houck take a phone call with his brother Nick, who advised him to leave that police interview. Now, so far, more than a dozen witnesses were called to the stand, barely putting a dent in the nearly 50 people who could testify and could be called to the stand in this trial. Now, we'll be back tomorrow as the Crystal Rogers murder trial reaches day 4. Live in Bowling Green for you tonight, I'm Alexis Matthews, WOKY News.